Like any new technology for your home, there are a few things to know so you can choose the right LED light bulbs. These tips will help you out. You're used to looking for watts, but the brightness of LED light is now referred to as lumens. Instead of memorizing conversions, some brands make it easy for you to find the right wattage equivalent by including it right on the label. If you're buying a bulb for a fixture that's dimmable, or a three-way lamp that produces low, medium, and high light, make sure you check the package to get the right bulb. LED bulbs come in different color temperatures. Soft white light casts warmer light and is good for creating ambiance in whole room or accent lighting. The cooler light of daylight bulbs can make details more visible. So they're good at your bath vanity, utility areas, and task or reading lamps. If the label doesn't say omnidirectional, the light may cast more of a spotlight effect. While that's okay for closets or utility areas, you want omnidirectional bulbs for your overhead lights, table lamps, and floor lamps. They cast light evenly in all directions. When you have a set of lights, it's convenient to replace all the bulbs at the same time. So look for multi-packs. They tend to be a better value over replacing bulbs one at a time. For the tips, advice, and tools you need, visit your neighborhood Ace and find us online at acehardware.com.